We just got done with our weekly Wednesday training. We have a lot of new people that started, and there's new people that started in the community yesterday as well. So all of our training that we want to do out for our new guys on the floor, we want to do that same thing for you guys. And you ladies and gentlemen. So one of the things that I do want to tell you is that it's very tough to cold call. It's nothing easy about it.
What's the name of your company?
From Lendme Capital. So let me ask you a question. Did you receive the funding that you were looking for?
This shit, Mike.
Oh, not at the moment.
All right. So I mean, obviously you were searching in the past. Well, what kind of capital were you looking for?
Somewhere in between there, 500,000.
Okay. And let me ask you a question. How much is your business bringing in each month?
Roughly around 20,000.
20K a month. Okay. And then what is your credit score? Do you know?
Roughly
600.
600. Okay. And then I apologize. What state are you located in?
I'm located in Humble.
I want to be honest with you. I'm already applied for a couple of, and I don't want to waste your time this time.
But no, I completely get it. I know you're shopping around. A lot of people do shop around. This is the thing, though. See, there's a lot of companies out there where the difference between us is that we're actually a business development company. We do strategize, and we have a lot of programs. It's not just like traditional loans, not just MCAs, SBAs. I mean, we have lines of credit, we have business credit cards. If you tell me what you're looking for, I can help you get the most amount of money and the best terms.
Okay.
Since we do get the best deals in the industry, so I'm just going to help you out and get the money that you're looking for, if that's all right.
Yeah, everybody says that, and then you don't hear from them again. I'm tired of giving people my information. I'm not updating anything. I don't want to be bothered.
I understand. We're not the same as everybody else, though.
What would you need from me right now? Because you have a whole lot of information in front of you.
Correct. So I just, I need to know, confirm. I need to confirm how much are you looking for your business?
I don't think I need any more than maybe 50,000, somewhere in that area.
50,000 for a CPA. So right now you're in the slow season. Usually CPAs are really busy around February, March, April, around that area, right?
Yes, I'm just looking to do a little expansion or something.
Expansion. And what exactly does that mean? Are you opening another office?
Better equipment, take on maybe a person to help me. So I need to have cash flow.
And that's how you can really get through the cold calls in a little bit of more of a timely fashion and have better success. People are going to hang up on you. People are also going to just be too busy to talk. You know what I mean? That's why the majority of the time, our guys, when we're cold calling, we call people once in the morning, call them once in the afternoon. We also try once again in the evening before we get out of here. Sometimes an occasional weekend. Because maybe somebody can't answer during the day, but in the evening, they're more flexible. They're ready to talk.
Hey, Mark, this is Daryl giving you a call from Lendme Capital. How are you, brother?
I'm good. How you doing?
Doing pretty good. The reason I have you on the phone, before I go ahead and get you guys all submitted, I need to know how much you were looking for. Were you looking for that dollar amount, a little more, a little less? Point me in the right direction.
I'm saying, how much you said I am pre-approved for?
Yeah, so the majority of the businesses right now that we have in Lancaster, just the dollar amounts that we're seeing, they're getting a pretty much the average dollar amount we're getting you guys approved for right now is about $150,000.
He follows this pitch. You guys can hear the phone call. You know, he's not changing anything. He's not making certain adjustments because he thinks it doesn't work. Rick did the same thing. Are you still looking for that amount? A lot more? A little less? Point me in the right direction. He literally said that verbatim.
I see that you guys did about 26,000. Now, how much did you guys actually need?
So we need about 50,000.
You guys need about 50,000. Okay, now what exactly do you guys do, Mark?
If you sound excited, they're gonna be excited. If I smile, you're gonna automatically see exactly. You just fucking smile. Yep. Right? It for some reason it's just it translates over the phone. Same exact thing.
We help with business management.
Yeah.
And then to have our revenue, we are getting into real estate as well, meaning that we are doing we are buying rental properties as well, and just keep tenants in there. We're not flipping or anything like that. It's just to boost our revenue stream, but our main focus.
He already gave the buying signs. Like I told him what he would be pre-approved for. He tells me what he needs the money for. There's no more talking. Now the application's open.
This is the only time that you do not take no for an answer. Okay.
Yes,
All right.
consent is always something we need.
I could get you the money I can absolutely do the best that I can to get you the financing that you were looking for. What exactly were you going to use the capital for?
Just to continue to grow the company.
Now, what do you mean by grow? You like looking to do marketing? You looking to get a location? You're looking to
Marketing, investing as well.
Okay. What type of marketing are you looking to do? Like advertisements, like a billboard, make some shirts, like.
Yep, advertising.
The main thing that we do, with not just here, with the majority of sales companies, cold calling is essential. It's bread and butter. The stock guys used to pound the phones with the yellow pages, the white pages. Anybody with a pulse, they were trying to get on the phone. We're a little more targeted because we're not just reaching out to the general public, we're reaching out to business owners, right? People that are making money and could always use money to make more money. We're trying to find those business owners. We have programs that are interest-free for the first 12 months and even that have line of credit options or even monthly payments. How much you looking for? That right there sets me apart from the other people that are just trying to shove money into their account. That's just saying, hey, how much you doing on a monthly basis? See, I have programs that I don't even need bank statements. I don't even need tax returns, no income docs, and I can get you up to $50,000 with a line of credit or a term loan, or I can even get you up to $150,000 with a couple of business credit cards. Cold calling is tough out there for everybody. It's just about knowing your programs, knowing what to say in the first 10 seconds where you need to captivate that audience and being able to be a rock star. And that's what we try to be on the phone. And trust me, when you guys are cold calling, get up from your seat, walk around. Motion creates emotion. Smile when you guys are on the phone with these people. They will be able to feel that smile through the phone and they'll start smiling. Just little tactics that we use to kind of try to separate what you do on a daily basis from what the other shops are doing on a daily basis. Again, you guys are a part of the community. You guys are a part of our community. Let's grow together. Happy hunting.